Hello YouTubers, 2016 Acura ILX and with 2.5 liter engine, and we will be replacing the Serpentine or drive belt on this car. So to get started, let's take the passenger side wheel off. So the car is on a jack stand, and right now I'll just use 19mm socket and we'll remove the wheel. All parts and tools in the links under the video. Please check those out. So remove the wheel. Next we'll remove those two plastic clips and we'll take that shield off. So they might be pain to remove. So I'm hammering a bit. Let's make sure that the dust gets off. So actually this one came out. This one piece is quite large, so we will just try to move it to the side, and there's just kind of like that. So now we can see our belt and few pulleys. So if you look, there's way better access now. Alright, so next we need to get a wrench on the tensioner, which is this 17mm. Basically, it seems like a bolt head. The thing is that if you try to use regular box wrench, it's curved a little bit too much, so it's hard to get the wrench on. I have this one, ratcheting wrench, and as you can see, it's much straighter. So you can actually go ahead and put it on, just like that. So let's try to shine some light. So it is on, and we will need to pull it towards ourselves. Okay, so I have doubled up wrenches and just gently pull it towards yourself. Now you can see that this belt is loose, so we will take it off. One step that I missed: before we take the belt off, we need to draw belt diagram. So it's something as simple as this. So we have alternator, tensioner, probably power steering pump, crank pulley, and this is the AC compressor over here. So very simple diagram. So now we will remove the belt. I don't see a particular spot on a tensioner to lock it in place. So we'll just go with that. So now we will remove the belt. So now when the belt is loose, this wrench is on the way, so we'll just pull it back and we'll free up that belt. It's quite tight in here with that engine under the small hood. I'll probably just go to the wheel well and pull it down. Okay, now when the belt is out, we'll just take the new belt and stretch them both together to make sure that they are same size. The new one probably will be slightly shorter. I will leave a link in the description to the video for this belt, so feel free to check that out. But now we will follow the same approach. So we will fish the belt down We just need to make sure that we put it over the wrench. So now just slide it down, and we will start with installing it on the bottom pulleys, and then we will make our way up, because that's where we have access to the tensioner. So I will go to the wheel well, get it on the bottom ones, and we'll get back. Okay, so the belt is routed all the way to 2 bottom pulleys, then the power steering pump. It's on an alternator right now, so now we just need to slide it onto the tensioner. So I'll just do the same exercise, slowly pull it in, and then place it on the tensioner. Make sure that you don't create a pinch point for your fingers, since there is lots of tension on it. So at this point, you'll just go under the vehicle and check again your belt sits properly on each pulley. We double check, triple check, because if it's not in correct position and you start the engine, it will damage the belt right away, and you will be lucky if it's just the belt that gets damaged. So let me double check it, and then we will start it and check again. So everything looks good visually. Now I'll go inside the car and start the engine. So when you start it first time, you don't run it. You make it a few cranks, it starts for a few seconds, you shut it down, you come here, you check your belt. Seems like everything is aligned, everything is in place. Now we know that we're good to go, so that's the indication that you can run your vehicle now. So next we will, that light is just falling down, reinstall this shield. You need to make sure that that little piece gets into the fender liner. So let's take a look. So it seems like it wants to come from the side, like that. So now we'll reinstall the clips. Need to release this one. Put this one back in. Okay. Next we'll put the wheel back on. Same 19mm lug nuts. Just get it started, and then we'll get them snug. So you don't want to over torque them, so we'll just go with the rough setting on the impact. Okay, and now we will torque it to 80 foot-pounds. Don't over torque those. Don't go with 100. 80 is what it's calling for. That is it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Please check the links in the description to the video for all the parts and tools, potentially like this, that you might need. And as always, just do it yourself. Take care, guys.